Remote jobs in USD are now open to everyone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to find jobs that actually pay in US dollars. The best part is that you can do this from anywhere across the world. Meet FeedCoyote. It is the only place with real jobs you can do from home and get paid in US dollars. This platform helps you do 3 easy things. 1. Find jobs. 2. Get paid to post. 3. Stay organized and get clients.
Hey there! Welcome to FeedCoyote, the home of freelance collaboration. Freelancing can feel lonely, and finding the right collaborators, well, is often difficult. But it doesn't have to be. FeedCoyote brings freelancers together so that you can find trusted partners, collaborate on projects, and earn more, all while growing your network. Whether you're a designer, developer, writer, or marketer, FeedCoyote is the place to meet like-minded professionals, share your skills and resources, and take on exciting projects together. No more unorganized tools. Handle everything from networking, communications, project management, to payments in one seamless workspace. Your freelancing journey optimized. With FeedCoyote, you are independent, but never alone. Start networking and collaborating today. FeedCoyote is way more. It's your community, your support system, your productivity, all in one place. Visit feedcoyote.com or simply download the FeedCoyote mobile app now on iOS and Android.
Now let me show you how FeedCoyote works. First, go to feedcoyote.com and click Join Now. FeedCoyote helps you with a tool to keep track of people, a way to make proposals, a list to manage tasks. It has everything you need to finish deals and keep up with your work. This platform is like a social media space designed for freelancers, offering countless benefits. With FeedCoyote, you can network with fellow freelancers who share your interests. Here's a bonus for you. FeedCoyote pays you to post. There's a feature called This Week's Leaderboard. When you post tips or helpful content, each like and comment earns you points. Creators get real payouts every week. Yes, you literally earn money from your content. FeedCoyote has a freelance job board that updates daily. Real clients, real offers. No endless scrolling or ghosting. You create a profile and let the work come to you. Get paid for your work with Stripe. FeedCoyote Pay via Stripe. Start making money with your smartphone. In simple terms, you can find jobs, get paid for your content, and run your freelance business in one place. That's it. Go ahead and start making money with FeedCoyote while you work from anywhere around the world.